Buckle up, off-road warriors. In today's showdown, we're bringing you the ultimate battle of the beasts. Check out these 5 serious off-roading car battle. These rugged machines are ready to tackle the toughest terrain. Let's rev up the excitement and find out which one will conquer the off-road throne. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Chevrolet Colorado 2023. This powerhouse brings a whole new level of performance to the off-road scene. With the latest model, Chevrolet has upped the game. The 2023 Colorado features an improved suspension, skid plates, and a powerful V6 engine, making it more rugged and trail-ready than ever before. The Chevrolet Colorado 2023 offers a spacious and comfortable cabin, ensuring you can tackle the trails during the day and enjoy modern conveniences at night. It's a perfect balance between work and play for those who love to venture off the beaten path. Next up, we have the iconic Land Rover Defender, a true legend in the off-road world. This is a legendary name in off-roading, and the latest iteration doesn't disappoint. With a boxy design and a robust frame, the Defender is built to take on challenging terrain. The Land Rover Defender boasts impressive ground clearance, an advanced 4-wheel drive system, and a variety of off-road driving modes. It's a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, designed to handle extreme conditions while providing a touch of luxury inside. Its robust build quality and superior off-road capabilities make it a force to be reckoned with. Equipped with an advanced terrain response system and a suite of off-road driving aids, this beast ensures that no obstacle can stand in its way. The Defender truly earns its place among the off-road elite. As we move into the 3rd spot, we have the ever-reliable Toyota 4Runner. This SUV is a staple in the off-road community, and for good reason. The 4Runner is known for its exceptional reliability and impressive off-road capability. With a body-on-frame construction, a high ground clearance, and available features like crawl control and multi-terrain select, the 4Runner can tackle almost any trail. It's spacious, rugged, and ready for adventure, making it a fantastic choice for those who love to explore the great outdoors. This SUV has built a solid reputation for itself as a formidable off-roader. With its proven off-road prowess, reinforced body-on-frame construction, and exceptional ground clearance, the 4Runner is ready to conquer any challenge that nature throws its way. Landing at number 2 is the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Building upon the Colorado's off-road prowess, the ZR2 takes things to a whole new level. It's been engineered for hardcore off-roading, with features like front and rear locking differentials, Multimatic DSSV shocks, and a robust skid plate system. This beast takes the already impressive Colorado and adds an extra dose of ruggedness and capability. With its Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear, electronic locking differentials, and rock sliders, the ZR2 is designed to tackle the toughest trails with ease. The Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is a mid-size truck that can take a beating and keep on going. Whether you're conquering rocky trails, crossing streams, or navigating sandy dunes, this beast is up for the challenge. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our top contender at number 1 is the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. This off-roading behemoth is designed for extreme terrain, and it's a force to be reckoned with. This bad boy takes everything you love about the iconic F-150 Raptor and shrinks it down into a more compact package. Its twin-turbocharged V6 engine produces jaw-dropping power, while the reinforced chassis and long-travel suspension system ensure unmatched off-road performance. This cutting-edge pickup truck comes with 4-wheel drive technology, combined with advanced driver assistance safety features. Get ready to experience an adventurous driving in any terrain. You won't believe your eyes when you take this vehicle out for a spin. The Ranger Raptor is truly a force to be reckoned with, delivering an unbeatable combination of power, agility, and durability. Whether you're conquering rocky mountains, blazing through sand dunes, or forging rivers, these 5 serious off-road warriors have got you covered. No matter which one you choose, you'll be experiencing the ultimate thrills that only off-roading can provide. And with that, we come to the end of this incredible off-roading showdown. Which of these ultimate machines stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss out on more heart-stopping adventures like this.